In a world where every mile holds a story, there exists a legend among the free spirits. The Young Guns. An eternal companion capable of charging your phone and lighting the way, ensuring a lifeline that never fades away. Now ignite your journey with the unstoppable Jumpstarter and embark on your own tales of the extraordinary. Every adventure deserves the right pressure. Let the inflator pump the breath of life into your tires, ensuring your journey is always alive and rolling. As the sun sets, our explorer decides it's time for a transformation. Each stroke of the Young Guns delicately erases the day's remnants, while the diligent vacuum sweeps away dust, and the washer paints a refreshing canvas, erasing the day's challenges, and the echoes fade away, restoring the car's original charm. It's not just a car getting cleaned. It's a ritual. A transition from the wild to the refined. With the Young Guns, each journey doesn't just end. Unleash the spirit. Embrace the journey. The Young Guns, where every adventure begins a new story.